welcome back to a new video. So tonight actually, I am sharing with you a late night shop with me. I haven't done one of these ever where I was like out shopping late at night, but I have to get a few things that we're out of, and I really just didn't have time to go to the store earlier. My mom was helping me declutter the house, and then when I get the kids and stuff, it's a big no-no to go shopping for things you actually need if you can avoid it. So I decided to wait and just come tonight. Now keep in mind, it's really important to be safe if you are shopping at night. I just want to put that out there. Make sure that you park in a lit area up front, even if it takes you 20 minutes to find a spot, and always carry some form of protection with you. Very, very important. And pay attention to your surroundings. But I know all those things. I don't want you guys to worry. But I did want to come out and get a few things, just see what they have. I want to just kind of check out the new home decor and look around and just see if I can kind of get inspired to create something. And I also have a few groceries and stuff to grab, so let's go. This is so pretty. $6.94. No, Karrie. This might be kind of random, but this would make a great fruit bowl. Wouldn't it though? It's a planter. But this would work for fruit. Oops. Indoor and outdoor. I mean, is it safe to put food in there? Y'all let me know in the comments, because I'll come back and get one, because this would be great on the countertop for like my bananas and lemons and stuff. This would make a beautiful vase inside. Just put some faux greenery in there. Really pretty. Oh, the turtle! I like him. Okay, so I just found these little planters for 13 bucks. You could totally snip these off, take this out, and put one of those round pieces of wood from Lowe's and make like a small little end table. You're like, perfect. Or you could just buy this for $24. I came around the corner and saw this. This would be cute for end table. Oh, it's small. It's a lot smaller than it looks. This is so sad. New. Ooh, that's only 50 bucks. I like this one. $110. Oh, here's the lamp that I have, y'all. $44. So I noticed walking through Walmart that they do not have a whole lot of new home decor, like the little stuff. So if you're looking for affordable knickknacks, I would definitely recommend checking out your local Dollar General. Or if you have a Dollar General Market with a pop shelf near you, you have to check it out. They have such cute stuff for such an affordable price, like 10 and under. It's like a 5 and below, but with decor. So highly recommend checking that out. Walmart, I feel like, is really slacking in our area. I really wish that they would kind of, you know, pick up the pace a little bit. We always get stuff last. Oh, just ran right into that. Oops. While I was shopping, I ran into these clear shoe boxes again. I don't use these for shoes. I use them for other organizing, but they are so good, and you get 2 for $10. $10? What? Oh, how cute. Oh, these would make cute little Christmas gifts. I mean, obviously it's a long ways away. That's cool though. So while I was in the clearance aisle, I noticed that all of the camping stuff was on sale. So if you're a family that likes to camp out, or maybe you have a birthday coming up that you have to buy for someone and they enjoy camping, now is the time to buy that type of stuff. I feel like it's all getting marked down pretty quickly. And I was just kind of taking a peek at the clearance stuff. I didn't buy anything from over here, even though there was a lot of good deals. I'm proud of myself. I refrained. Juice extractor? What? That looks pretty nifty. Ooh, Drew Barrymore. I love her. That's a beautiful TV stand. Ooh, I like these. Look how cute. $70. Holy mackerel. Those are adorable though. Ooh, an office chair. $48. I might actually end up buying one of those. Not tonight though. It's too dark to try to like get something like that in my car. All right, so here's most of the stuff, but I'm actually gonna put away all the cold stuff tonight and then do my little organization stuff tomorrow because it's getting late. So I got grapes, pancakes and sausage, cinnamon toast sticks. What else is cold stuff? I think that's it. Oh, I just got ice over here. But then these are my organizing stuff, and I'll show you guys that tomorrow. Good morning. So yesterday I went to Walmart, like I showed you guys. I never put all the food away because I was tired and it was late, and I told you I'd show you today. So I will do that. But this morning, after taking the kids to school, instead of coming home and jumping straight into housework and all the things that need to be done for the house, I decided to work on me. And I hopped on the treadmill today, and I walked for 45 minutes, walked 3 miles, which is awesome, because usually I can go about 1.5 miles and be winded, and trust me, I was winded. But I've toughed it out. I was like, I'm going to go 3 miles today. And I don't know why, but I just feel so darn good. I feel amazing, and mentally, physically, I'm just feeling great again, and it feels nice because last year I didn't have my best year ever, and I plan on doing whatever it takes this year to make it a better year for me, and I am just over the moon excited, and I just want to share. I just want to shout it to the rooftops. I don't know. But anyway, I'm going to get this stuff all organized. I need to clean out the containers I bought, but before I do that, I have to load the dishwasher because the sink's full of dishes because I didn't do those last night either. Self-care sometimes is more important. I needed to sleep. But yeah, I need to whip the house back up into shape real quick and then organize the stuff. And by the way, I'm going to go back to Walmart today and I'm buying that little planter, the bowl. So I wanted to share why I want to go get that bowl again. So I was looking online at bowls to put like on bookcases and like styling bookcases and stuff because y'all know I'm working on my fireplace. But all the bowls that are like that are so expensive, and that one only being $15 is an awesome deal. It's unique looking, and I don't think many people would think to put a planter as a decor bowl in their house. So I'm going to be out of the box and I'm going to get one. Totally random, but while I was doing the dishes today, on this morning, I noticed that the sink started to back up. If you watch my Instagram, you already saw the story, but yeah, the plumbing started backing up. We had a major clog. We also have a garbage disposal as well, and we feel like it has caused nothing but problems. Although I don't even use it like that, I'm not someone who puts a lot of food down the drain even with it. But yeah, major plumbing problems, so I couldn't even do the dishes. It always scares the crap out of me when birds like this fly over the house. Why do they do that? Go away! Okay, so I ended up getting the drawers all organized. I did share it as a short video for YouTube. Y'all know YouTube is like transferring over to try to be like Instagram and TikTok, it seems like. So the shorts are like where they're trying to promote channels, I think. So I'm just going to try it out and see how it goes. Every now and then just kind of post like a random one. We'll just see. But if you guys want to see how I organize it and stuff, check that out. I gotta get all my boxes put away. Those are crackers that are stale. I need to throw out or give to the squirrels. Can you give squirrels crackers? I'm pretty sure you can. But anyway, I actually have been wanting to redo this kitchen island, and my plan, I think, is to do like a marble countertop. So y'all know I have the marble, what do you call this? Contact paper. I actually have a whole lot of it left. I think I'm going to try to put it on the countertop just to see if I like it before I dive into doing the whole painting and project. I think like just trying something since I have some on hand would be a good idea. So let me try that. I'm going to go grab it and we're going to do that together. So this is the Duck brand contact paper, and I highly recommend if you are like living in a rental and you need to do these types of countertops just to kind of change the look. The Duck brand contact paper in general is just a great brand. It's super easy to use as well. You'll notice that I actually put the first one on super crooked, so I ended up having to peel it up and move it over, and it never you didn't mess up or anything like that. It was really easy to fix. And I'm using a new dustpan, by the way. I wanted to mention that I just bought one because the one we had was missing the little black piece, and this actually worked perfect to apply this. It got all the bubbles out really well, and it was a lot easier to hold on to than like a credit card. So I'm just gonna apply this and see if I like it. That way I'll know if I want to actually dive into that project. So just to do extra, I'm testing out paint colors. Now, keep in mind, I do plan on redoing this kitchen island soon, like the whole thing. I'm just kind of playing around with the ideas right now. It doesn't have to be exactly how I do it right this moment. And sometimes you just gotta try things and see what you like. So that's kind of where I'm at right now with this. I ended up getting this Valspar color sample the other day from Lowe's. It is the color Black Fox. Look it up on Pinterest. It's so pretty. Which, by the way, I will be working on the fireplace this weekend, now that I'm feeling better. My husband has to run the electrical behind the TV in order for me to do it, so I've been like kind of waiting on that, plus trying to get better. But anyway, I'm just testing out this color to see how it looks, if I like it. I will say this is a big change. To be honest, like I feel like I'm so used to the countertop being wood at this point that it looks weird. And to be honest with you, I don't love the green in the kitchen. I like it during certain times of the day, but there's certain times of the day where it kind of almost has like a gray look, and I don't love it. I really don't want the gray. So, I've been trying out things. Ooh, I kind of like that. I like it. Mistakes. But everywhere I turn, some hearts will break. Someone will end up getting hurt again. There's no need to play pretend. Why don't you stay, 'cause I could really use a friend. Stay, please stay, 'cause my heart really needs a man. I like it. I really like the color. Obviously it needs another coat, but I do really like it. I don't care for the countertop at the moment. It doesn't really go really well with the granite that I have in the kitchen. However, I bet if I had backsplash to kind of brighten up the kitchen, it wouldn't be so bad. So I don't know what I'm doing. Hey y'all, so it is a brand new day. I am actually out shopping for stuff to do my fireplace. So that video will be coming out. It's gonna be like in a couple parts just because this is a big project and I want it to be perfect. So I'm gonna really take my time on it and think it out, and you know, it's just gonna take a little bit more time. I'm not gonna rush it. But anyway, that's what I'm working on today. We're about to run to the gas station and grab a fountain drink because I'm craving a Sprite really bad. So I actually just started working on the fireplace. I got all of the kind of like plaster stuff up on it, so it has to dry for 24 hours. That's what I've been working on today. But I just got a delivery. I ordered these solar lights back when we first did our fence, our new privacy fence, so I could hang these along the fence line and have like pretty lights out there. They're solar powered, but they also have, oh wait, no, okay, I'm right. I thought they had a battery pack, but they don't. They're just solar powered, which is super nice. So I'm gonna get out there and put them on the fence. I like them though. I think they're pretty. I kind of want to get more. I like them. I'm hiding out in the shed right now because, and I'm stress breakout. We've had like a stressful weekend. Our plumbing was clogged up, and we had my mom and my mom's boyfriend come over today and help us unclog that. So thankfully, we got that done. It was really bad. We tried everything. They were over here for hours trying to help us out, but thankfully we got it. So got that done. I got the house back cleaned up again. It has been a disaster because when your plumbing goes out, everything up underneath the cabinets ends up all over the countertop. You have people tracking in and out. It's a nightmare. But I got it all back in order again, and we're gonna go grab something to cook for dinner tonight because I'm out of groceries. I needed to go get groceries for this week. I'm probably just gonna wait till tomorrow though because it's just been a busy weekend. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Let me know what y'all think of the countertops with the marble. If I do them, it'll be a lot lighter. It won't be as heavily veined. So let me know. I'm also taking down all of the brick in our house, and I will explain a little bit more in an upcoming video why I decided to do that, and I will actually show you guys as well. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, have a great rest of your Sunday, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, y'all. I have to be honest, you're probably the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. Does she eat it? You eat a quackle?
That's enough.
You ate a quackle?